Today, we're going to solve a problem that was considered impossible for centuries, using nothing but a piece of paper. The challenge is simple to understand, but incredibly difficult to solve. Dividing an angle into 3 equal parts. Since ancient Greece, mathematicians tried to solve this using only a ruler and a compass. But in the 19th century, it was finally proven that this is impossible using those tools alone. But here's the twist. Origami, the art of paper folding, is actually more powerful than classical geometry. And today, I'll show you exactly how. All we need is a square piece of paper and a pen. First, draw any acute angle at one corner of the paper. Next, we need to create 2 horizontal lines parallel to the bottom edge. To do this, fold the paper upward at any position to create a crease. Then, use that crease as a reference to make a second fold. Now we have 2 evenly spaced horizontal lines. Here comes the most important step. Our goal is to fold the paper in such a way that one corner lands exactly on the upper line, while another point aligns perfectly with one side of the angle. Carefully adjust the paper while folding. This part may take a bit of trial and error. But once both points touch their targets at the same time, press firmly to create the crease. And this is where the magic happens. That crease you just made gives us the exact references needed to divide the angle into 3 equal parts. When you draw lines from the corner through those points, you'll see that the angle is perfectly trisected. So how is this possible? Because origami allows us to align 2 points simultaneously. In mathematical terms, this means we can solve cubic equations. Meanwhile, ruler and compass constructions are limited to simpler operations. That's why some problems are impossible in classical geometry, but become solvable with origami. As you can see, sometimes solving an impossible problem just requires a different perspective.